How to fix if your Spotify Student Premium is not working. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can fix if your Spotify Premium is not, or your Spotify Student Premium is not working. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, check your eligibility. Ensure that you're still a student. Spotify Student Premium requires the annual re-verification to confirm that you're a student. So, in order to verify your status, you can log into your Spotify account. Then, follow the re-verification steps through Share ID, that is your Spotify's student verification partner. If your student status cannot be verified, your subscription may revert to regular premium plan or free plan. So, check your eligibility. If that's not your case, now verify your subscription status. You can go to the Spotify account overview page, visit the spotify.com and then go to your account, or you can do that as well from the application itself. Now, check if the subscription is listed as premium student. If not, you might need to resubscribe to student premium plan. And if that's not your case still, then look for payment method. There might be some payment issues. Ensure your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Update your payment details if necessary. Sometimes a failed or delayed payment can affect your subscription, so you can contact to Spotify support if you suspect a payment issue. And if that is not your case still you are not able to use the Spotify Student Premium, there might be some application issues. For that, open up Spotify app, go to settings, then log out. Then log in back using the account associated with your student premium subscriptions. And if that still does not help you, check for the application updates. Ensure the latest version of Spotify is installed. And you can also try to clear the application cache. For that, you can simply go to the settings, open up applications, then go to Spotify and then clear the cache. If not, try to uninstall and reinstall the application, which might help fix some glitches. And if this still does not help you, you can always visit Spotify Help Center, and then you can use their live chat or support contact form to report the issues. So in this way, you can fix if the Spotify Student Premium is not working. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.